staycation review guide.
Bakal pa ako ng gutom or coconut.
Cagayan de Oro City.
Oh, shout out to kay ate kasi salamat kuya.
Wi-Fi password in your room.
Okay.
Then kung nakadiri
Be another exciting vlog episode, another hotel staycation review guide. Keep on watching mga ka-fab. I'm staying here at the VIP Hotel at Cagayan de Oro City. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started with the room tour.
Ayan, kinukuha nila yung extra bed. Hello mga ka-fab! I'm done with my event for today, so we still have time now to roam around and check the nearby or interesting places that is near on this hotel. So let's go out na and check, and I'm going to show it to you now. So yun na nga, they didn't give you extra room key, card key, which is unfortunate because you know, I cannot take this off because I have some important products there that I have na hindi pwede masira sa loob ng refrigerator, and I'm charging my stuff, my laptop and other gadgets. So ang importante, hindi talaga pwede masira yung mga lechon na nabili natin sa Cebu. So kung gusto mo magbuksan yung room mo, daan ka sa lobby and they'll call someone to open your room, which is inconvenient lang and jahe. So that I hope they will reconsider that. Let's walk. It's like a maze here. So somehow I'm get used to it naman. Madali na naman to remember kung paano ka makarating sa elevator. There you go. Meron silang stairway dito. Medyo mahirap lang bumaba. Dito na lang tayo. If you want, you know, to burn some calories and fats, go ahead and use the stairs. Ground floor lobby na tayo. Let's go out. Ito na siya. Don't want you step out. It's a main road. It's along major streets. Ayan po. Saan tayo mga ka-fab? Turn left or turn right? Turn right tayo, lakad tayo dito. Tignan natin dito yung mga eskinita na to. Baka may mga interesting places. Parang wala masyado. Left na lang tayo mga ka-fab. Tignan natin kung ano mga benta dito, mga stores, turo-turo, or baka may mga delicacies na nagbebenta dito. That's special and unique to CDO. And lakad-lakad. Wala naman masyado. Ayan. Ayun, parang meron silang night market dun, oh. Interesting. Ito, wala lang. Unplanned. I just keep on walking and walking. Burning fats and calories na rin. And just to, enjoy places that seems, their first time. Yeah, just keep on walking. It's 9 p.m. pa lang, guys. Don't you worry. So, medyo safe naman. So, I make sure that when I walk and explore areas, medyo safe yung places. So, parang merong mini plaque. And most of the shops here are ukay-ukay. So, wala lang. A good discovery. Because the last time I'm here at CDO, medyo pandemic pa. It's good to know that everything's alive now. It's back to normal. Really is. So, there's vibrant and the city is alive. Bakal pa ako ng butong or coconut juice, pure coconut juice. Ang sarap ng juice nila, guys, fresh. 30 pesos lang, malamig na. Kung ayaw mo ng malamig, 25 pesos. Ito na yung binalikan natin, guys, yung parang plaza. I thought plaza. Kahabaan pala siya na parang walkway. And ang daming mga tao na nagmamassage. So, yung mga bulag siguro to. Parang it's an outdoor massage session here at Cagayan de Oro City. Ayan. Diba ang saya? And it's past 9 p.m. already, ha? Of course, ang daming ukay-ukay shops. Yun na yung plaza. Again. Dami ka na na-discover talaga. Unexpectedly.
A few moments later.
We are back on our hotel. So I need to 311 inform the receptionist that I need to go to my room because I cannot go inside because they only issue one room key. That's why. Look, haggard na. Pagod na po mga kapag. Mauna na daw tayo mga ka-fab. Akit na daw tayo. Alright. I think it's a wrap. Good night mga ka-fab. See you tomorrow. Of course, definitely our first agenda is to show you the breakfast buffet food options here at the VIP Hotel Cagayan de Oro City. Kabisado na natin dito yung paikot-ikot. But that's fine. Siguro mga 1 minute walk. Susunod na lang daw si Kuya para buksan yung room natin. Kasi pag tinanggal ko po yung room card key, mag-go-off po lahat. Wala pong kuryente. May nilagay po tayong meat products, lechon po sa sa fridge. And may charge din po tayong mga gadgets. Thank you. Okay. Of course, yan po yung view. Wala nang ilaw, patay na. It's just past. Oras na ba? 11 na. PM. Yun na talaga mga ka-fab. Good night.
The following day.
Mga ka-fab, if you want a stronger and stable internet doing office work, you can sit in the lobby because may mga chairs naman sila and tables. You can get the internet password code sa receptionist and you can do your office work. So, kudos kasi may ganun silang options here at the VIP Hotel.
To add some color, we're going to add turmeric. Other people use anago powder, anago seeds. We also...
Thank you. Salamat. Kapisan kaayo. Thank you. kudos and good job to all those housekeeping people who maintains the cleanliness, the orderliness of the hotels or the inn or the pension house or the motel that we are staying. Good job. Oh, shout out to kay ate kasi tagaan ako extra card para hindi yan na-haggard, na hapit-hapit every time mag-CR, magwa. Thank you, mom. This is for you. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless. Okay, there are like angels everywhere who are nice or kind. So thank you so much.
The next day.
Good morning, mga ka-fab. Maayong aga. Question. Do you still feeling VIP? Staying here at the VIP Hotel here at Cagayan de Oro City? Let's find out kasi mamamahaw tayo. That means we're gonna eat our breakfast. I'm gonna show you their buffet breakfast food options here at the VIP Hotel in Cagayan de Oro City. Kaya let's go. Let's eat. Let's have breakfast together. So this is their mezzanine floor. Check na natin ito. Ayan. Okay. So you can see there the ground. Stairs na lang tayo papunta sa lobby. The 11. Okay. Let's have a quick Fab Talk review before I check out on this hotel, the VIP hotel here at Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, now for their internet connection naman, there are times that it's working okay. For now on, kita mo yan, naglalaging siya. But you have options, as what I've said, you can go down sa lobby, they'll give you the password of the Wi-Fi there. So thankfully you still have options. Good thing is their TV is smart TV, so you can watch YouTube there directly sa TV na yan. So that's a plus for me. Okay naman yung service, yung food, I love it because quality naman yung food and it's tasty. So it's a plus for me also. And the location of the hotel, it's very convenient, walkable, near sa Divisoria nila, wherein you can drink fresh buko. I'm sure you've seen that on my video, in my the videos that I've shown you here in this vlog. I think very spacious for a single room. Yung walkway nila very spacious. In short, hindi sila madamot to space. Only that this hotel is quite old, pero don't you worry kasi I have noticed naman na bago yung aircon and other amenities as well. The refrigerator is okay, it's working, and the restroom is okay. The only, I think, the challenge here is asking for the extra card key. But thankfully, I'm sure you've seen that in my video here. The very kind lady, housekeeping, gave me an extra card key. Nako, naka-rest din ako. Let's start packing up, and hopefully, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you are part of my every hotel staycation adventures, not just here in the Philippines but abroad as well. And as always, don't forget to embrace life not just beautifully but live your life fabulously. See you next time on my hotel staycation adventures. Thank you so much, mga Fab, for your support. Tara, pack up na. Goodbye, room. Until next time, thank you so much. The VIP Hotel here at Cagayan de Oro City. I'm ready to check out. Special service. Salamat kuya. Special service. And let's start booking from here to Laguindingan Airport.